visitors to the States. Kindergarten Performance Awardee in no particular order. Katie Catriola E. Gambaya, Star Leader. Awarded gold medal, ribbon, and certificate from Levertown Elementary School. Gold medal donated by LGU, Kulambugan, headed by Mayor Lorenzo V. Maniegos. Another gold medal and certificate for being first placer in story reading during the District Kindergarten Festival. Another gold medal donated by the LGU Kulambugan. Awarded decade bronze medal and certificate for being third placer in story reading during the Division Kindergarten Festival. Ribbon, Batang Maasahan Award, and Ribbon Star Scout of the Year.
Gana, oy!
LJ Monique S. Disadjo, Public Speaker Award. Awarded gold medal, ribbon, and certificate from the